Hello everyone. Welcome to Cre8iveSkill. Today, we will learn how to apply an iron-on permanent adhesive to the embroidered patches. For this, we will need an iron, scissor, an iron-on permanent adhesive sheet and patches. Let's get started. Lay the patches upside down on a heat-safe flat surface or wooden table. Place the sheet of iron-on permanent adhesive on top of the patches. This sheet has two sides. Make sure the paper side is facing up. Now, start ironing on the sheet, pressing firmly until all the area is covered. Keep ironing for about 1 minute or till the glue is evenly adhered to the patches. Let it cool and cut the excess sheet along the patch border. Bravo! Now your patches are ready for application on t-shirts, caps, jackets, bags, hats, tops, apron, etc. Thank you very much for watching. For more embroidery tips and tricks, subscribe to our channel. Please like and share if you find this helpful. Do not forget to press that bell icon to get notifications. Bye for now. See you again.